Just got the prop back from IMPROS here. So I had it to them on Thursday. They had it from FedEx delivery, and today is Friday, so it took them, from the time they had it, I had it back in my hands in 8 days, so they shipped it on Wednesday. And this is late April 2015, so it's in a Scat Track box, but whatever. IMPROS card. This little rubber thing was off and up in here. I just put it back on a minute ago. What comes in here? So I believe this got like the works or the rock works or something like that. This was the more extensive repair. It looks really good. Quite happy with how it looks. Get it back in the boat here. Take it out for a ride sometime this weekend. Threads are all cleaned out. Looks good.